Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate mousse without grinder-only ways. Start by chopping chocolate finely and setting up a bain-marie with simmering water. Avoid steam contact. Whisk egg yolks with sugar until pale and thick, then fold in melted chocolate and whipped cream gently. Chill for at least 2 hours to set and serve with a sprinkle of cocoa or sea salt for contrast now. Measure and prep your ingredients before you begin to keep timing precise and textures consistent. Chop chocolate into small, even pieces so it melts quickly over the bain-marie without burning. Separate eggs carefully and whisk yolks with sugar until they coat the whisk and form a ribbon. Whip cream to soft peaks and fold in thirds, preserving air to create a light, silky mousse texture throughout. Keep heat low and patience high while melting chocolate. Overheating loses gloss and texture. Whisk yolks and sugar until pale, then stir a spoonful of yolk mixture into chocolate to temper it smoothly. Fold whipped cream in 3 additions using a broad spatula and gentle lifts, preserving air for the light mousse. Transfer to serving dishes and chill undisturbed so the mousse sets and flavors meld fully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.